Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave video. My name is Eric. Today is the 15th of June around 9:25 p.m. Eastern Times, and today we're gonna take a look at Tesla. Tesla has been in the news lately, and honestly, Tesla is one of the most bullish symbol across the market. In other Web forecast, we cover 78 instruments around the market, and we provide the forecast in different time frames. Let me log in here. You guys can see, for example, in the watch list, you can have Tesla. Otherwise, you go to the Group 3 instrument, you click charts of days here, and you're going to be able to see all the instruments that we cover. The shortcut, you go to here, you go to the dashboard, you click on Tesla, and you're going to see the forecast in Tesla in 1 hour pre-market, midday, post-market, 4-hour dailies, and weekly. And then weekly is when we're going to take a look at Tesla right now. Tesla is very, very interesting. And the reason why Tesla is interesting, because back in 2021, Tesla finished 5 weeks within the grand super cycle. We call it as a wave 1 in blue. And then Tesla did a very technical ABC 3 weeks back that we can see that structure reflected here. Look, this is the chart from 2023. And we can see when Tesla was called trading at 244 at that stage, we were calling Tesla higher. Tesla, of course, has been reacted very nicely to the blue bot high frequency area after finishing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 within the grand super cycle. And then, remember Tesla was here, and then look, Tesla even reached prices around almost 500. What makes Tesla very particular is the idea of the price action that has developed since January of 2023. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 weeks with an overlap between wave 1 and wave 4. And anyway, an overlap only can happen in wave 1 or wave 5. And wave 1 is called a leading diagonal, and wave 5 is called an ending diagonal. But the key is that in Elliott Wave, within wave 3, it cannot be overlap. In other words, wave 4 or wave 3, in this case, in cycles 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in cycles, this wave 4 or wave 3 cannot overlap this wave 1 or wave 3 with parentheses. Now, when we look over here at Tesla, what do you have? Wave 1, wave 2 within the grand super cycle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 comes with overlap. So Tesla needs to be nesting against the lows of 2023. What is a nest? A nest is nothing more than exactly what is showing in the chart. 1, 2, 1, 2, and this 1, 2. As of right now, you have 1, 2, 1, 2. Still, Tesla is trading below the peak of last year, and still Tesla even can do a double here and trade to 289. But what is important to understand, that selling Tesla is a very bad idea, and that Tesla remains to be one of the most bullish symbols in the market. Why? Because 5 weeks within the grand super cycle follow with 5 weeks into new all-time highs with overlap is this structure. Tesla right now is over here, and consequently Tesla at one moment is going to accelerate, and Tesla can be seeing the next extension in Tesla as far as this low is holding, Tesla should be looking into an area that is the 1.618 or 12 or the 100% around 731, 825. So buying the dips in Tesla in 3 or 7 is the right trade. Birding position in Tesla against the lows of 2023 is the right trade. Selling Tesla is not the right trade. So I hope you guys understand where we're coming from. 5 waves followed by 3 with overlap is what we call a bullish sequence. It's a bullish event. And what we have to do is being aggressive. Right here is reacting after 3. It still can go to this area because it's below that peak, but you don't sell it. A break of this highest or a break of the highest support the bullish view. But Tesla can be en route to the 700 and 100 target in the next few years. That's the video for today. If you like it, I invite you guys to visit Elliott Wave Forecast and take the 14-day trial for just 99 cents. Have a good day, everyone.